Well, good day everybody, and welcome to this unboxing, test, and review video of the BougeRV portable water heater. Got a pretty neat looking setup here. Let's unbox it and check it out. Got an accessory box right on top here. Got the unit. See what we got in the accessory box real quick here. It's got your shower head, hose. Got your water pump and water hose. Yes, this comes with a water pump. It takes the small propane canisters and it's got its own battery. This thing is pretty neat. I love the portability. Got it all-in-one setup here. Looks like we also have a car plug. You can charge or run this off the off your car. The propane regulator. Got the shower head holder. And what is this? Power supply for your wall, so you can charge this or run it off of your car or your wall outlet. Two different options for charging or using. Alright, so we got some accessories. Got your BougeRV user manual. And here is the units. Like these big old carry handles here. Big old grab handles. Got your temperature dial. On and off for the unit. Pump on and off. 12 volt DC in and then 12 volt DC out for the pump. Water in, water out. Got these nice little caps. Seems like fairly decent construction. Okay, so this does have a battery. So I'll probably go ahead and just get that charged up first. With the wall supply here. The cord. A power adapter, transformer. This shower head holder here got this real handy mounting option for the shower head holder here. You can go right on the water heater, which will be real handy if you're in a place where you could just set this on something, like a ledge or the tailgate of your truck or the roof of your car. I'm going to go ahead and put it on here so I can do some dishes. I have not done dishes with hot water in a few years. Okay, so you can rotate it. This portable water heater can provide you with easy access to hot water for cleaning, washing dishes, and showering. It has a maximum thermal efficiency power of 20,500 BTUs and is capable of a rapid temperature rise of 45 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius. Gas consumption is 20 megajoules an hour or 20 mJs an hour. Water flow 2.2 to 3 liters a minute. It has a built-in 2500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. The battery will last for 60 minutes on a full charge. The battery supports charging and discharging at the same time and can be fully charged from 0 to 80% in 60 minutes. Free local shipping, lifetime customer support, hassle-free warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, get the power supply plugged in. There we go. Alright, let's get that charged up. Alright, got that charged. Alright, got our pump. 12 volt DC. It's got this nice pre-screen on here, or filter screen, that you can take off and clean real easily. That's nice. Got some pretty decent quality hose. Kind of feels like surgical hose. It's real flexible. Came with a set of washers. Got the shower head, shower hose. It's got Easy shut off right there on the handle. That's nice. Got 2 settings on here. The shower head, or 3 settings actually. Got 3 setting shower head. That hose. And here we got a regulator. That goes on the back. I need a can of propane. I like that it takes those. It makes this a real portable package compared to my other one that needs a spot to hang it. I need to carry around a 5-gallon propane tank. I like what I see. So, regulator, shower head holder. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Be real handy for camping. Can adjust it. Water heater, shower head. That'll go on this connection. Oh, that's nice. I like the quick connect fittings on here. Pump connection. Fingernails required. Got a clean bucket of water here from the hose. Pretty gold. Alright, there's our connections. Oh, that's right, there's a switch on the bottom back here to connect the battery. Alright, power on. Says 57 degrees. Is that a preset? No, that's just what it's reading at the moment. Interesting. Is this an inside and outside temperature? Or water temperature and then ambient temperature? But that's pretty handy. Okay, pump is in the bucket. Tubings are attached. Wire for the pump. Got a little canister of propane here. So let's make sure that's tight. Okay, that is neat. I like how that can all stay in just one unit. Battery power, propane can. Okay, well, it looks like it's got an off timer. That's good. Turns itself off if it's not being used. No kinks. Let's turn on the pump. This one. Oh, I got fire. Oh yeah, look at the steam coming out of there. This is cool. Oh yeah, there's the warmth. Haha, that is freaking neat. Look at that. That is an awesome little unit there. A built-in pump. It's nice and quiet. I can hardly hear this thing running right now. Look at that. Propane, water pump. Steaming hot. I like it. And that looks like that'll go for a while too, off of 5 gallons. That is really cool. Set to 104. Let's try cranking that up a little bit. Yeah, that is definitely hot enough for a shower. 106 degrees. And that feels nice. Feels good right now. Yeah. Really, really cool machine. Super portable. I like it. BougeRV portable propane water heater. I like how well it's working. It's Got plenty of pressure. Try a different couple settings here. Got like a tight and a wide or center. It's got a center spray, an outer spray, and then you can do both sprays. Probably save on water usage by just using the outer spray or just the inner spray. Alright, I'm excited for that. Now I can do my dishes with warm water. I usually just use the cold hose spigot. But yeah, that thing is actually pretty cool. I like it. Alright you guys, BougeRV, come check them out. They got a little bit of everything. I have some of their solar panels and they work pretty good. Great looking water heater, got protection plans, free local shipping, lifetime customer support, hassle-free warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, flame failure protection, dry run protection, overheat protection, tilt protection, 3S quick heat. Nice little package, I like it. Oh yeah, it'd be good for pet bathing too. Look at that dog. There's your key features. Got some pretty good looking reviews on this as well. Awesome little kit. Everybody seems to be happy with it. Links below. Thank you for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.